So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you are not able to find your GTA5.exe file or it has been blocked by Windows Defender, and when you try to launch it through the Steam it says missing executable. In order to fix all that, all you need to do is to just simply go to in this section, just simply search for Windows Security. Inside the Windows Security, just simply open the Windows Security. Once you are inside the Windows security, you need to go to the option of virus and threat protection. In here, you need to go to this option of protection history. Now, if your GTA5.exe file have been blocked by Windows Defender, you can easily find it here. And from here, you can easily allow it. Now, the issue that you're facing with that will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.